guys, today this is me, Squishy Girl. I've never really made a Squishy video and I am really excited to make one. So, today we're going to be doing a video of me opening, well, I already opened it, but showing you a Gentleland Squishy review. So, yeah. I'm sorry for the background noise. First of all, there's a TV on and my AC is on. So, yeah. So, I'm just gonna show you first the package. Okay, so my first squishy is this strawberry cake. I love it so much. Just look at that glow, gosh. Here's the packaging it came in. It has like little mini strawberries all over it, as you can see. It says strawberry cake, Hebrew scented, Hebrew squishy scented. Okay. And then on the back, it just has like a bunch of words. And it came closed off with this little pin thing. So this is my Papet Zoo sheath. So nice. I love it. It's kind of dense, and it's not that slow rising, but it smells so good. Same as with this, it smells so good. And this is the packaging. It says Papet Zoo Pop-Up Sheep, and it's a special snack for you. And it just says, please read, don't eat, don't burn, don't abandon, and good care. And nutrition information, sheep 100%, fat 100%, energy 100%, happiness 100%, sweetie 100%, and squishy 100%. All 100%. So that's what the package looks like. For my extras, I got this extra squishy, and that is how soft it is. I love it. Next, I got this candy, and I'm keeping the packaging because I really want this candy, so I'm going to see if I can find it. So the next item that I got was this heart, and I love it real much. It's like a Gentleland Squishies, oh so kawaii. I think you can put this like on your like car, because it's like I don't know, it feels like that type of sticker. Then we have this little cat sticker, this cat clothespin. Yeah. Next we have is this little human Gishin, paper human. I don't know what for it. We have a Hello Kitty sticker, and then last but not least, a cat in a bowl. I love it so much. It's so cute. And this is the bag it came in. I'm sorry if the words is backwards. It's just that I'm using my phone for this because I don't have a camera. But it says Gentleland Squishies and Accessories, oh so kawaii. And on the front it says Gentleland Squishies, oh so kawaii again. So that's what it looks like. So yeah. I'm going to do an overview of my squishies that I got. So yeah. First is my Papet Zoo sheep, it's so cute. Next is my strawberry cake, I love it so much. So that is the last of my video. I hope you like it. This is my first ever video, as you can see, and I hope you subscribe and like, because I have no subscribers and I have no likes. So yeah. So I hope you really like this again. So yeah, I might be doing more. So bye.